Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be adding orders and items to our inbound freight manifest. What we want to do is select our orders tab on our left-hand panel, and then I can use numerous filters to isolate the orders that I want to add. So for example, I can select the entire order here on this left-hand side, and then click our Add to Freight truck at the top of the screen. Inside of here, depending on the day that I'm expecting to receive this truck, I can filter to that day and add to an existing truck if I have one. If I don't, then I can create a new inbound truck. And then here we'll name the truck and then select the day that we're expecting this freight to arrive. I can hit save, and now it's going to add our orders directly to that truck that we set up for tomorrow. And this is how you add orders to an inbound freight manifest.